Seriously healthy. Doesn't have to be meat. You can add, like this can be completely veg if you wanted to. So I would just do the same thing with mushroom stock powder in the rice, and then tofu or, because there's no other like fish sauce or anything in it, just replacing the protein and the stock powder. Like, how good does that look? In the chat, in the chat. Is this supplanted the pad thai? Rice over medium egg, gochujang, maybe a little soy sauce. That's my lazy rice meal. I like it. And then nuts. I like how lively the dish looks. Doesn't it look so good? Because you haven't overcooked it. That's one thing that sometimes people do with curries, with stir fries, they overcook the veggies. They need to have life. They need to be still crunchy, still some texture element to them, so that you're not eating like slop, basically. Look at that. It's so lively, and I'm so undead. What do we think? Okay. Now, I'm going to take some of this stir fry out. Oh. I don't think I will. So, now, that we're going to make into fried rice, okay? So, what I would do is you could transfer this to another bowl if you wanted to, and so that you want to keep cooking. But all we want to do, grab this. I like bacon. You don't have to add bacon if you don't want to. A few slices of bacon or pork. That. Turn it around. Rough chop. You're not going to get any awards for home cooking. For things looking. Doesn't have to look fantastic. Doesn't have to be perfect. This here, because it's got the sauce in there, what I'm just going to do, go like this. Like that. Bacon in there. We're just going to pan fry that. I'm going to get 2 to 3 eggs, depending on how much you like egg in your fried rice. So usually what I do is I push everything to the side like this and then put the bacon so it has contact with direct heat. Like that, so we can pan fry that. Let's go this. 1, 2, 3, 10. Whisk.